Okay everybody, so all done. Not gonna lie to you, it was not an easy task. You can imagine digging 42 holes, and that's just for the grasses. But I think the result came out quite nicely. So we've got the scalloped edge the whole way along the bed, and then as I said in the middle, we've put salmia. I've got a pink one here and a purple one here, and then after the pots I've got another purple one and another pink one. So we're sort of mirror imaging on either side. The pot has a plant, can't remember the name, the tag is on, I'll put it up on the screen. It's a shrub that gets the most beautiful red trumpet flower. They do lose their leaves and look a little bit scraggly now, but they're coming out of dormancy in spring. And alongside on either side there, and on the other side here, I've put in oregano. It's the variegated oregano, and then I've got lemon balm just in the foreground of it. Around each of the salvias, so basically around that, if you can picture around each one within the scallop, I'm going to be planting something with color. And then on the outside of the scallop, so basically here all the way along, I'm going to be planting something with color. We left this one petunia here because my daughter wants it, so she's going to be potting that just now. I know that the channel is called Grow to Eat, and I am planning on doing videos to show you how to grow vegetables and herbs. I do have vegetables and herbs in my garden at the moment because we're getting our vegetable garden ready. Once that's all sorted, I will start videos on stuff that you can eat. But in the meantime, I'm just showing you how we are getting our very, very young garden to look pretty. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification button, and enjoy the rest of your day. Just wanted to say a big thank you to Carol at Folly Nursery. Her plants are always awesome, and she is a wealth of information, and she also gives me excellent prices. So I'm really, really grateful to her because I have a really large garden. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I have to buy all my plants, and I'd really like to say thank you. And if you ever want to have a lovely breakfast and a really, in a really tranquil scenery, and look at some wonderful plants, have some good company, go to Folly Fields on the south coast. You will always be welcome.